there's one product that offers the best capital gains and the highest returns, it's definitely the townhouse market in Dubai. For those who don't know me, my name is Agata. I've been living in Dubai since 2013 and I've been investing since 2015. I created the Dubai agency to support foreign investors in their real estate investment journey in Dubai. Damac Lagoon, for those who haven't been following, is one of the biggest townhouse projects. It's a project that was launched about 4 years ago by one of the largest developers in the Emirates, if not the largest, in any case, the biggest private developer in the United Arab Emirates, called Damac. It's a huge project with several thousand villas and townhouses, and of course the main feature, a massive lagoon. Here we are at the Santorini Lagoon, which is the first cluster, and it's the main lagoon where the clubhouse will be just behind me. Then in each cluster there will be a different lagoon, a dedicated lagoon. And here we are in the first cluster, which is actually a subsection of the development, which has just been delivered and is called Santorini. Now follow me, we're going inside. I'll show you the model and give you some figures. Since the Damac Lagoon project has been sold out for years, we don't have a model here, but I'll explain it to you using the new Damak Island project because it's a similar concept. Basically, it's a huge community, a vast area of villas and townhouses. The standalone villas will be located in the center, close to the lagoon. Because as the name suggests, Damac Lagoon had several lagoons, a main lagoon and lagoons in each cluster. And a bit further back from the lagoon, you'll find the townhouses. That means these are semi-detached villas, just to give you an idea. In the middle, you would find the 4-bedroom townhouses. And on the sides, each time with an extra floor, there were the 5-bedroom townhouses. This is really the type of community that is about 20 or 30 minutes from downtown, the marina, etc. But that's not a problem because, in fact, families are really looking for this kind of large, all-encompassing compound where you can do a bit of everything on site. Here there will be a school, a mosque and sports fields. There's the lagoon with water sports, a clubhouse, a community center, a mini market, etc. Really, it's a true city within the city. And actually, once you're here, you have no need at all to go out. Before getting into the details of the numbers, I'll still explain to you again why it's so interesting to invest in a townhouse in Dubai. It's actually very simple. Townhouses meet the housing needs of the middle class who can't afford to buy their townhouses off-plan. What you need to understand is that townhouses, when they're off-plan, can't be financed with a loan. So investors like you and me actually play the role of the bank by buying them directly from developers at the time they're put on the market, and will finance them throughout the entire construction period. When it comes time to hand over the keys, that's when they resell them for a big profit, because at that point they become eligible for financing and are generally resold to people who will use them as their primary residence. Families with 2, 3 or 4 children. That's why it's usually the 5-bed townhouses, the largest ones, that are the most sought after and on which we see the biggest capital gains. Another factor that makes this a great investment is that Dubai's population is really shifting, if I may say so, towards a very family-oriented demographic. There are many newcomers arriving with their families, and a huge number of people are settling in Dubai and starting their families here. And the market keeps delivering buildings with a majority of 1-bedroom, 2-bedroom or studio apartments. And so, when it comes to families needing housing, whether for rent or purchase, there are actually very few projects. There's a scarcity of townhouses and villas on the market, which makes them excellent investments both for renting and for resale. Let's talk numbers for a moment. Back when it launched in 2021, in the first cluster called Santorini 1, there were different types of villas. There were 3-bedroom villas selling for 1.5 million dirhams, 4-bedroom villas starting between 1.7 and 1.9 million, and 5-bedroom villas ranging from 2.2 to 2.4 million. Today, for this type of villa, at the time of delivery, the capital gains compared to the first transactions we see on DXB Interact range from 45% to 78%. In just 3 years, I just opened DXB Interact. As a reminder, it's an app that gathers all real estate transactions in Dubai, whether for purchase or for rent. Here, as you can see, I opened up the Santorini 1 cluster of Damac Lagoon. This is the first cluster that was marketed in this project, and we can see that since the beginning of the year to date, there have been 11 transactions. Let's look at the transactions in detail. So the first one, we can see that it was resold only once and the buyer made a 100% capital gain. The second one was resold twice, but when we look at the initial price, And the second buyer bought at 1.5 and resold at 2.6. That's for the 3-bedroom units. Now I'll show you for the 4-bedroom units. Here, it's the same, resold twice. And on the second resale, there's already been a 45% capital gain. This is something that was bought for $1.67 and resold for $2.90. Now I'm doing the same for the 5-bedroom units. And here too, it's pretty impressive. If we look, these are houses that were bought for 2.1 and resold for 3.5. For Damac Lagoon, unfortunately, it's too late. It's a project that was launched between 2021 and 2023. However, it's not too late to get in on this type of product. Damak is launching Damak Island. We're currently in phase 2. Phase 1 was sold out in just a few hours, and we're in the early stages of phase 2. So the next stages of phase 2 will be more expensive. They're going to raise the prices as always. So now is really the time to get in. I'll quickly introduce the neighborhood to you. It's not very far from Damac Lagoon. So it's inland, more on the Arabian Ranch side near Damak Hills. We're in that part of Dubai land where all the huge villa communities are located. It's a community with several thousand townhouses and villas and a pretty standard setup: school, mosque, clubhouse, and a community center over there. But what's truly amazing is the lagoon and the facilities that will be delivered there. So there's a huge lagoon that runs through the entire community, with the clubhouse in the middle, lots of water sports, kayaking, stand-up paddleboarding. Of course, it's a lagoon where you'll actually be able to swim. And similarly, as is quite common, there will be ultra-luxury villas priced around 20 million dirhams, so about 5 million euros, which will be located along the edge of the lagoon. In the rest of the community, it will mostly be fairly standard townhouses, 4 bedrooms and 5 bedrooms. What's also new on Damak Island is that there will be a villa configuration that didn't exist at Damac Lagoon. These are those 5-bedroom villas that are attached together, that are semi-detached, and that are not connected in long rows like the 4-bedroom villas. This is really the kind of project we've been waiting for, and it's the type of project where once again we achieve very good returns and excellent capital gains. So it's really worth being proactive and getting in early. Now that I've given you all this information about Damac Lagoon, I imagine you're really eager to see a finished product. So follow me, we're going to visit the villa of one of my clients that was purchased in 2022. I'll meet you in front of the villa. By the way, as you can see, there are already people living here. There are already trees and so on. We're not in those communities where there are just tiny young trees like this. Damak actually invested so that the community, even from the very beginning with the first deliveries, would look like something real. As you can see, the house has 2 parking spaces. It's a 5-bedroom, which is why it's at the end of the row of houses. This particular villa is quite rare and has a somewhat exceptional location within the cluster. It's at the end of the row, so on the other side there's a small lane and everything, making it quieter here with less traffic. So it's always nice to have this kind of villa, which we call corner units. So I'm going to tour the villa, follow me. So here is the entrance. Since it's a 5-bedroom, first you have a guest room here. It's a real bedroom, meaning you definitely have space for a bed. You have closets, and most importantly, you have a bathroom that's attached to this bedroom. It's truly a guest room, and the idea is for your guests to have their independence so they don't use the other bathrooms. Here is what we call the powder room, so it's the guest restroom. Here is the laundry, so this is where the washing machine is. And here you have an open kitchen connected to the living room. So what's nice is that with Damak, they deliver it with the appliances included. That's pretty cool. The living and dining area is quite spacious. The garden is always delivered like this in Dubai, no matter which developer you choose. You never get grass or a pool. Sometimes there might be terraces, but most of the time, this is what you get. Just sand, and it's up to the tenant or owner to landscape the garden. So now, let's go upstairs. It's upstairs where you'll find the 3 main bedrooms. So we have the master bedroom with its own bathroom, and there's a second bathroom that serves the 2 children's bedrooms. So this is the bathroom, which I call the children's bathroom because it serves these 2 fairly standard bedrooms and has a bathtub. There you go. That's also why I call it the children's bathroom, because there's a bathtub. Here we have a children's bedroom with built-in closets, and on the other hand, a large terrace overlooking the garden. And this is the second bedroom. Same here, with access to the terrace and 2 built-in closets on either side of the door. Now we're going to go to the other side. Actually, on the community side, we have the master bedroom. So I call it the master because it has its own ensuite bathroom right here. This one is more for adults, so the bathroom is bigger than the children's. And we have the walk-in closet with a wardrobe here and another wardrobe in the corner for him and her. And here is the bedroom area. Once again, there's access here to a terrace, but this one is just for this bedroom. Now we're arriving on the upper floor. So the first door here is the service room. That's what we call the maid's room. So this is the nanny's room, which also has its own bathroom. And we have one last bedroom here, also with its own bathroom. This is actually the 5th bedroom. So the 4 bedrooms are completely identical, except that they don't have this upper floor. So in the 4-bedroom units, and that's also why they're less sought after, there is no maid's room and there isn't this extra room that can be used as a playroom, which is generally how it's used. Here in this bedroom, we have a bathroom and a terrace. Some people might be a little surprised or even shocked by the direct view we have here. And indeed, when you come from Europe, it's quite unusual. However, here in Dubai, in all the big compounds and large developments like this, it's often the case, if not always. And it's not something that's particularly shocking because it's like that everywhere. That said, you still keep a certain level of privacy because the windows are reflective, so you can't see inside, and in the evening you can put up curtains. Life in these places is really oriented towards the outside, towards the community. You spend most of your time in the parks, the amenities, the lagoon, and so on. And in the end, the point of living in a place like this is really to have large open spaces compared to an apartment and to have an outdoor area. The fact that there are people facing you isn't really a problem here. As you can see, there are still very few projects in Dubai that offer this level of quality, whether for rent or for resale. And by the way, if you're interested in the project I just presented to you, whether it's Damak Island or another investment project in Dubai, please don't hesitate to contact us, either myself or a member of my team. We would be delighted to assist you with this project. In the meantime, I'll see you soon in another video.